How to make everyone respect you anywhere you go. There's hardly anyone who doesn't enjoy being treated well and being respected. As a matter of fact, being liked or respected makes us feel valued, and it gives us the influence we so much desire in our circle. This is because being well respected gives you a good control of things and also makes people admire you anywhere you go. However, respect isn't some garment we can decide to put on or take off whenever we want to. It is something that we earn by making a few lifestyle changes, one step at a time. You should also note that respect isn't some kind of manipulative force. You cannot force people into respecting you. You can only deserve to be respected by both strangers and non-strangers, family, friends, co-workers, boss, and others. Anyway, let's find out how you can up your game and what lifestyle changes you need to start imbibing or improving on if you've already imbibed them to earn you respect everywhere you go. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 8 tips on how you make people respect you anywhere you go. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Number 1. Respect others. If there is one saying the majority, if not every one of us is aware of, it will definitely be this: respect is reciprocal. Every one of us silently wishes to be respected by all, even in places when we do not necessarily deserve to be. We seek recognition and the respect that comes with it. For instance, we are watching this video because we want to up our game and start being treated with respect everywhere we go. So, how about we act on this general need? Since we know every other person like us would love to be respected, then maybe it's time we start respecting others to earn their respect as well. Why does this strategy work? Human nature usually wants to repay whatever it's given. If, for instance, you give people gifts, they want to give you something back. The same thing happens with respect. If you respect people, they are almost forced to respect you in return, and this makes you respectable anywhere you go. When you learn to treat other people nicely and with respect, they in turn will respect you irrespective of whatever position or office they may hold as compared to yours. Number 2. Add value to people's lives. Have you ever wondered why some of our teachers from back in days, preschool or high school, have special places in our hearts? With so many years down the line, bumping into some of our teachers at any point in time, we just want to hug them, kiss them, care for them, and make them feel good. Why? Simple. They added value to our lives. People tend to respect those who are willing to help and add value to other people's lives. It means that you are willing and ready to take responsibilities, share in other people's problems, and lend a helping hand. When you do this, you become someone that people would like to listen to and come to for advice when in need of one. You don't have to be a teacher to add value. Simply be willing to help and make people's life a little easier and better. Number 3. Improve your communication skill. Having good communication skill means that you are able to convey your feelings, ideas, and thoughts in a clear and well understood manner. And being able to deliver your message effectively helps you have more influence and network, build a successful career, and also help you form a better relationship with people around you, which in turn yields respect. Effective communication isn't all about conveying your own message, but your ability to listen carefully to others while keeping an open mind to their suggestions and opinion. Also, effective communication skills will help you become a good leader, which in turn earns you the respect you deserve. Number 4. Avoid wasting people's time. Other people's time is just as important to them as yours is to you. So, To think otherwise is to call attention to yourself as someone who doesn't want to be respected. Time is no doubt the most valuable currency, and respecting other people's time says a lot about you. You earn their trust, and it portrays you as someone to be respected. How do you respect other people's time? You can respect people's time by showing up early for a fixed meeting, being straightforward and concise, setting clear and responsible expectations, and a whole lot more. You can try doing this from today with your colleagues at work or even with strangers, and note how you feel about yourself and watch how people begin to treat you. Number 5. Keep your promises or commitments. We all like to be described as a man of our words. Such a good title, right? You see, voicing out your commitments isn't so much of a problem. As a matter of fact, we all do this every now and then. However, the real challenge is committing to it. Once you are able to pass that hurdle and stay committed to your promises, people are encouraged to listen to you more, trust you better, especially because you must have proven to them that you are accountable. This overall instills respect for you in them. Number 6. Learn how to handle anger and other forms of emotions. When experiencing some sort of anger towards something or someone, or when being stressed or pressurized as a result of deadlines to meet, or certain tasks or even financial obligations to fulfill, it is inevitable to experience some emotional rush or tension. Knowing how best to handle or manage these solutions and not lash out on people around you will definitely put you in people's good books as someone who deserves to be respected. Although we all make mistakes from time to time, but always remember that no one likes to stay around people who have a hard time putting their emotions under check for fear of being attacked or being used as the dumping site of those emotions. Number 7. Be willing to change and improve yourself. Change is about the one thing constant in life. Always make sure you make an effort to grow. No one wants to respect stubborn and adamant people who aren't willing to change. Invest in your self-improvement by learning new skills, trying out new activities and exercises that can help boost your brain power and force you to get creative in your thinking. Don't forget what we describe respect as. It is the positive feeling or action shown towards someone or something considered important, and it conveys a sense of admiration for good or valuable qualities. People respect others for their valuable qualities, not because they are older than them or something. And how do you get these valuable qualities when you don't invest in yourself? Also, remember what we said about adding value to other people's lives in order to earn their respect? This can only be possible when you have something valuable in you. It's like a teacher who has zero or insignificant knowledge of a subject he or she intends to teach. You can imagine how silly the teacher will appear to be by the end of that class, especially when the student comes up with all sorts of questions that he or she cannot provide an answer to. What makes the difference between a teacher and his or her student is the level of wealth of knowledge he or she has to offer, and that's what earns them their respect, not because they are older than the students in question. Thank you for watching our videos. We'd like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.